YouTube. I am in Charlotte, and there's an airplane. There goes an airplane right back there. I originally live in North Carolina, but I'm visiting somebody. And each time an airplane comes, I'll pause the video and wait for another one to come, and hopefully there'll be some more. There's been a bunch. Yep, there's another one. I heard it. I'll be back in a second. Better view because it's getting lower to land in the airport. Oh, I hear another one coming. They'll come right above this video building. Yep, I heard it. There it is, right back there. Yes, I am filming this with my phone. I do need to get a video camera. My phone does not focus right. It's coming down to land in the airport. There's another one. I'm like right in the airline way for airplanes. Where'd that one go? There's one way back there off in the distance. Get my phone to focus. My phone ain't focusing. I'll be right back. I got my phone to focus. It's off that. When another one comes, I'll get back with you. Yep, I heard it. There it is. Right there. Phone ain't focusing again. Well, there's one way back there. Where'd it go? Alright, be back in a minute. I hear it. There it is. Trying to get my phone to focus. There it is. There's one way back here. I'll be back in a sec. I hear one coming, I think. Unless it's one of them behind me, which are going.